Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for meal planning and the recipe ebooks business using Quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, here the topic, you can just choose the food, okay, and the type must be an online store and also services, so whatever you like as your like and as your business. You can start with one of these templates here, and also you can build your own templates. So let's get started from here and let's go. Okay, here first you can add your business name. Here you're gonna build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as a few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section, so you can try your best and to make your site looks better and attractive. So you can do whatever you like to make it better and attractive, to pull more people and more customers to your website. Okay, so choose the right sections and let's move on. Add page to your site. Choose the color, any color you like, any color you match with your business. Okay, for me I'm gonna choose this. Choose the font, choose any font here. Okay, now wait a few seconds. Okay, here you can choose if you want to continue and describe and add the details about your website and add the description and choose the writing style, or if you want to just skip this. Okay, for me I'm gonna skip. And now wait to edit the website homepage. Okay, this is your homepage. First, here edit, and here you can introduce your brand. Okay, first you can change the text here. Okay, you can type anything here to introduce your brand. Okay, for example, you can type welcome to our site for meal planning and recipe books. Okay, and now after this, go to this section, go to the background, and you can select just a simple art from here. And also you can select image. Okay, it's much better to use image as a background, so go to the library, go to the premium image and search on meal planning and receive ebooks. Okay, like this. Okay, I need just a simple image. Okay, for example, like this. You can choose any image you want to make your site as your business and as your like, to make your site looks better and attractive. If you want to add something on your homepage, just click here and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. Okay, also you can add anything on your section, image or video or button or checks, whatever you like. Okay, and now let's move on to the site header. Now you can change the site title if you want. You can also upload the logo image. You can upload a file as a file. You can upload the logo image as a file or select from library. Now let's move on to the next section. Okay, first here you have to change the width intensity and change the text size. Okay, after this, change delete this image and add another one. You can type anything on the search, anything you like, anything you're looking for on the search. Okay, okay, ebooks like this. And for example, I'm gonna choose this time. This space here, you can talk it, you can use this space to talk about your shop and your products, how and where are they made, and what makes them unique. So before you change the topic, you go to change the paragraph 2 to hidden for like this. Okay, and in the background you don't have to add image as a background, just a simple add, it's much better. Okay, now the same thing here, just a simple add. Also here, and here instead of this image you can add a map, for example. So you can add your business name and your address and the city and the state and the country, and you can change the design of the map, okay, like this. And the last step is add the background. Okay, now let's move on to the last section, the footer section. So after you're done from this, you can go to the settings, to the settings section. Okay, to the setting part on the dashboard. Okay, there you can add the product to your inventory and add the way to get paid and choose the subscription plan. And after this, the last step is publish your website and start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for meal planner and ebooks and the receipt ebooks business easy and quick. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.